5 fun ways to enjoy daily family life more. How much are you having fun? Hopefully a lot. After all, when you have a family, you have built-in companions for every adventure. Kids especially bring fun and excitement into the day, or can if you let them. On the other hand, daily routines can start making things stale. You wind up in the rut of the same old, same old. If you're feeling things have lost their sparkle at home, it's time for some fun. Following, you will find some tips designed to help you dive right into the fun. In no time at all, you'll be enjoying daily family life more and more. Start the day with smiles. Waking up a child can be a cranky, difficult task. Varying this routine becomes crucial to setting up the day for success. Silly alarm clocks, coming into the room singing, or even introducing the pets into the room can make wake-up time something to enjoy. The key here is to tackle this moment playfully, with the goal of creating the tone you want for the rest of the day. Create contests. Who can get dressed the fastest? Who can create the most creative pancake art using fruits and other toppings to make their artistic creations? What about a lemon and spoon race? Come up with little bits of competition, keeping it fun and friendly, of course. Decorate. Pull your home out of its rut by taking the family out to find a new treasure to add to the decor. Go antiquing. Visit a craft store and grab the materials to create a fresh, original work. Take a day trip and find a memento as a souvenir of the outing to set out as a visual reminder of a really great day. Read out loud. Little kids love being read to. But did you know so do big kids and even adults? Picking up a good book and reading a chapter out every day engages the mind and also helps promote literacy. More importantly, it creates a bonding experience over a story that's just plain fun. Start with something everyone is sure to love, like Harry Potter, or get a recommendation from your local librarian. Do something grand. Prepare for a marathon or a 5K with younger kids. Volunteer in your community. Plan a vacation. United goals give the whole family something to look forward to, especially if there's a lot of planning or practice involved to keep the goal fresh and interesting. Remember, the key to enjoying your daily family life more is just to relax and have fun. Follow these tips. More importantly, follow your heart. If there's something your family loves to do, make a point to do it. Life is too short to waste in dull routines. Embrace this time together, building fabulous memories for the future. Your family will thank you for it.